If you get this Delta-04 error in Tom Clancy's The Division 2, then in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Now, what does this Delta-04 error mean? According to Ubisoft, the Delta-04 error indicates a connection problem to the Division 2 servers, and it typically occurs when the servers are down for maintenance. If you go to the Ubisoft support X or Twitter page, as you can see, they say here someone was facing the exact same issue, and the Ubisoft support tell him the Delta-04 error indicates a connection problem to the the Delta-04 error indicates a connection problem to the Division 2 servers, and it occurs when the servers are down. As you can see, Tom Clancy's The Division 2 just announced a scheduled maintenance. That's why lots of people are facing this Delta-04 error. Now, just try these steps here. Wait for a few hours and the issue should resolve by itself. Estimated downtime is 3 hours. So wait for a few hours and the issue should just resolve by itself. You can also try the following. Restart your device and the router, then relaunch the game again. Try connecting to a different network, such as using your phone hotspot or a different Wi-Fi network. If you've waited longer, like 24 hours, but you still face the Delta-04 error, contact Ubisoft support. The link will be available on the description of this video. Also, this page here, just select the Division 2 and explain to them that you face the Delta-04, and the support team will be able to help you. But according to Ubisoft, the Delta-04 error indicates a connection problem to the Division 2 servers, and it occurs when the servers are down for maintenance. So thank you so much for watching this video. Keep an eye to their X or Twitter page for Tom Clancy's The Division 2. Make sure to just go to check their page. They normally announce any scheduled maintenance, or just contact Ubisoft support on this page and they can guide you on how to fix this problem.